Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you some projects you can make with driftwood if you live at the beach or frequent the beach, or if you just go online and buy driftwood. I don't know. These are some ideas to do with your driftwood. Now, first off, I want to show you this. This to me is a really cool artsy fartsy piece of driftwood. I love it. And I was thinking, what can I do with it? So I've sealed it to try to keep these little shells that are on it. I don't know how good it's going to work, how long it'll last, but I'm going to be real careful with it because I love it. But here's one of the ideas I had tinkered with for myself. These you can buy online, I think like 25 of them for $8. I use these to make my roach clips. If they're not the bracelet roach clips, just regular roach clips. Anyway, you could drill a hole, size of the wire, 3 holes. I have a hole drilled there that's not the right size. We're down here. Excuse all the mess. I've been doing something I'm about to show you. So anyway, you could put 2, 3, 4 of these here, and since they have clips on them, drill the hole, glue it in, clip your picture. You could put a couple more down here, spread them all out, stick them off the sides. You get the picture. If you find a really cool piece of driftwood, that's an idea. However, for me, I thought, and I wanted to make a driftwood Christmas tree. Well, this is perfect for my tree stand. Perfect. Okay, y'all know I live in an RV, right? So my space is limited. I don't need a giant tree. All I need is just a little seasonal thing. So I drilled a big hole. Whoops, about to knock off one of my shells. I drilled a big hole there to fit this stake that I put my tree on. Look at this lovely thing. Wait, don't fall down. Look at this little baby, how cute is that? Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. I don't even think I'm gonna put ornaments or lights or anything. It matches my beachy theme of my camper. So, ta-da! All I have to do is glue that in. Right now I have a clip on it to hold these here. But what I'm gonna do, my favorite E6000, I'm gonna put a big blob of it right under here and take this off to hold that flat one. Then when I go to store it, all I have to do is turn them all straight. Doesn't take up much room. Stick it in the cabinet. Christmas is over. Da-da. So if you want to make a tree like this, look. You just collect up your driftwood, lay it out, largest to smallest, or you see I have like a couple that stick out longer. I thought it made it cute. Drill a hole in every piece to match the size of your stick. Slide them on. The top piece, I just took a little piece of driftwood and I drilled a hole in it so I could just stick it on top for a topper. But you know, as I always say, you're creative. You could put a little Santa on top. You could paint a Santa on top. You could put a mermaid on top, a snowman, whatever. You could flock your tree, like flock the edges of it. I've thought of a lot of ideas for it, but I think I'm just going to leave it plain. I like it like this. Anyhow, so a lot of y'all don't live in an RV. You're not so lucky to live this wandering lifestyle. it's great. I love it. Anyhow, so for those of you that have a real house or a real apartment, regular size, I'm going to make one of these today. This is 36 inches. And I'm going to have to get out the big drill bit to drill the holes that all match this. Shoot, that might not even be big enough. Wait, that's 7/8. Yeah, this is 7/8 by 36. Oh, so 7/8 might not work. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna go outside and do it because there's just not room in here for that. A project of this size. But I had thought about making one and leaving it sitting outside, like in my garden, my little. I always say my garden. It's my little pathway. I have a little tiny yard. But no, I talked to my neighbor. They always get. I make things, you know, for y'all to show y'all, and then I have all these things, so they get a lot of them. So I just went and showed them my little tiny tree and asked if they wanted the big tree, and they said yes. They have lights and everything they could put on it to make it adorable for their little patio setup, which is super cute. So that's the project for today. I'm going to take a break right now and get something to eat, because you see by my wet hair, just got back from the beach. Dirty job. Someone's got to do it. Try to do it every day. But we've had a lot of rain lately. Seems like it's rained for like 2 weeks. So finally, Jeffrey and I got to go to the beach today. And so now I'm famished from my 2-mile walk, and I'm going to get something to eat. Then I'm going to go outside and work on this tree to show y'all. And I had some other ideas. Forget right at the moment. I'm too hungry to think. I'll be back. Hello. I'm back. So I've drilled all the holes in the driftwood pieces. Now I'm just going to show you the put together. It's really pretty simple. The pole that I'm using is 36 inches long by 7/8, and I used a 7/8 drill bit. So this is the tall driftwood. And you could glue in between each of the driftwood pieces, or just leave it like this so that you can flatten it for storage, like I did with the tiny one. They're going to have it outside on their porch, I believe. So if they want it glued, I'll come back and I'll put E6000 in between each of the pieces. Otherwise, I'll leave it like this. They can dangle their little lights on it, and finished. Done. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, leave comments or questions, and hit the like button. Thank you. Bye.